Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce a truly remarkable product. Its design is both elegant and highly functional. It's quite striking. Now for the reveal on the price. It is incredibly competitive, offering superior value beyond your estimations. You might even be too instruction as to how we managed it. Furthermore, its high flexibility makes it ideal for various purposes and locations. All the complete details are provided in the description. Please remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Thank you.